ito yung mga timualay. Connecting flight, transfer desk. So, wala tayong mahanap na pupunta dito. So, one direction meaning pupunta tayo sa immigration siguro dito. Si Ma'am Lorna, asan si Ma'am Lorna? Yun, doon sila itong mga kasama ko. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung nasa second floor ang immigration nila. Kasi second floor tayo mamaya. Gate 3. Oo. May gate naman mamaya po. Naglikos tayo. Yan, ito yung kagandahan po ng nag-adventure because it's really a very nice experience yung mga hindi mo pa na-experience. Yeah, ito yung tinatawag na adventure, mga kainabraw. Ayan. So, mahanap din natin mamaya ang there! The immigration is there. There.
Upstairs.
There. Oh. Doon po. Connecting flights. Nalamin dyan yan, may. Nalamin. So, ito talaga ang nagkatuwa. Ay, kanyo ka, urok, nagpigsa urok na. Baga ka ni Ma'am Lorna, nagpigsa ti urok, ito kaduwak.
Dahil nakangangad ang atuwa.
Nakangangad. Kita karoon na. Oh my God. Oh, yan. Oh my G. Arrivals. Oh, here pala. Oh, yung arrivals. Oh. At least naman there is English translation. Ayan. Arrivals. So, hindi rin kami nawawala. Oh. Arrivals. Migration, sir?
Yeah, over there.
Straight?
No. Stand right.
Yeah, but we have to go straight and then like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And then like that.
Going right, going left.
You see what English can do. You see what English can do, huh? This is a very, very nice experience, guys. I really love it. Shawadi chai. Shawadi chai. See? Kung saan kami dinala ng mga paa namin doon, si diretso daw, and then we go there like that. Ayun, quarantine. Doon. Visa arrival. Sa visa arrival. Visa arrival. Yan.
I-visa?
Yung i-visa natin yung nasa atin. Okay, dito na tayo. Visa arrival.